When it comes to natural hair growth treatments, one size do not fit all. What will work for you might not work for the other person, and that is why there are a lot out there for you to choose from. Just as the store-bought products, you will have to know which really works for your hair. And the only way to find out is to try them out for yourself. And once you find out something that works for you, you need to be consistent with it. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back to watch me. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I appreciate you clicking on this video, and I can promise you, you're gonna learn a lot from this video. One of my natural ingredients for today's recipe is ground clove. You can use the whole clove and grind it yourself, or you can use the store-bought powdered clove. Clove is one of the most powerful natural ingredients that can help you grow your hair much faster. It can stimulate new healthy hair growth by increasing blood circulation in your scalp. It can also treat your scalp from infections that will stop your hair from growing. And once you have a clean scalp, you are guaranteed of growing new healthy hair. The next natural ingredient I'm going to use today is my ground cinnamon. Cinnamon is another powerful natural ingredient that can help stop hair shedding, hair fall, or hair breakages. It contains antioxidants and antimicrobial properties that will help protect your hair and also prevent your hair from damages. Cinnamon can also treat your scalp from dandruff to give new way to healthy hair growth. Adding cinnamon to your hair care routine will not only strengthen your hair and also stop hair breakages, but it's also going to boost your hair growth. The next powerful natural ingredient I'm going to use is coffee. Coffee is also great when it comes to hair growth. Because of the caffeine, it will help stop hair breakages, hair fall, or hair thinning. Coffee will stimulate blood flow in your scalp to help boost new healthy hair growth. It will strengthen your hair and improve the overall health of your hair. So after adding the coffee to my ingredients, I'm going to give it a good stir just to make sure the ingredients are well mixed together. And as I do that, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your loved ones as well as on your social media platforms. So at this point, I'm going to add my grapeseed oil. Feel free to add any oil that works for your hair. It could be avocado oil, olive oil, sunflower oil, any plant-based oil that you prefer. I just love to use grapeseed oil for this recipe because of what it does to my hair. It is lightweight, it easily penetrates into your hair. It can also help treat your scalp from dandruff. So adding it together with this recipe, it is only going to maximize its benefit. After adding the oil, I will make sure to stir everything in together just to make sure it is all well mixed in. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to use the double boiler method. As I have my hot water boiling, I'm going to put the recipe in the water. Doing this will help everything be infused together. I'm going to give it a stir every now and then just to make sure everything is well mixed in. And guys, I must say, if you are suffering from hair thinning, if you are balding, if your hair is not growing, you're experiencing stunted growth, you should take this recipe very seriously. Because of the ingredients put together, they're going to help stimulate blood flow to your scalp or to any part of your hair that you are losing, and it will speed up hair growth. It will also stop hair fall or hair shedding altogether. Just make sure you're consistent with it and you use it the right way. And guess what? I'm going to show you the best way to use this oil in order to get all the benefits out of it. So make sure you're watching every part of this video and you're not skipping any part of it. So I left this in the water for about 15 minutes. Then I'm going to set it aside for about 24 hours. The longer the better. But I decided to leave it for about 24 hours. Then after that, I'm going to strain the oil out. You can see that it has really settled down. All the ingredients are settled in the bottom. whilst the oil is on top. So at this point, I'm going to strain it just to get the oil out. You can use any material with tiny holes. It can be cheesecloth, your clean wet cup, or you can use the paper towel as I'm doing right now. Any of this would work. Just make sure you are getting just the oil out without the ingredients. Otherwise, you're going to have some residue left in your hair. Alright guys, just look at how beautiful and thick this oil is already looking. It is super effective. I'm going to show you one way I use this oil. But before getting into that, if you haven't done so already, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and families as well as on your social media platforms, because you might not know who you'll be helping to grow their hair or solve their hair issues. Alright, let me show you one way that I use this powerful oil. Indian hemp hair and scalp treatment is one of the old school hair grease. It is really great when it comes to moisturizing your hair. But one way to maximize its benefit is adding this oil to it. When you add this oil to your hair grease and use it on your hair, it is going to speed up the process of it stopping hair breakages. In other words, it's going to maximize the benefit or the work of the hair grease, and you're going to get amazing result. Just use it as you would use your hair grease or your hair moisturizer. After shampoo washing your hair, you go in with your leave-in conditioner, then you go in with this recipe. Another way you can use this oil is to use it on your scalp, on your edges, or any part of your hair. You do not have to rinse the oil out. You can also use it as your hot oil treatment. Regardless of how you use it, just be consistent with it. Consistency is the only way you can achieve the results that you want. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch today's video. I hope you have already given this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I know you have subscribed. Click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch other ways to grow your hair.